Hello everyone, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, scroll down and pick Device Unlock right here, select Fingerprint, and now provide your PIN code, passcode, whatever you use, and if you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. It will be kind of backup to your fingerprint. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. As you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located on home screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, place it on the sensor, and keep repeating till it's fully added. And that's it, mark done. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.